And despite the spread of COVID-19, cholera and other diseases in the country, the National Association of Resident Doctors has made good their threat by embarking on the proposed strike over unpaid salaries and benefits. The health workers are also demanding the immediate withdrawal of a circular removing house officers from the scheme of service. The doctors had embarked on an earlier strike in April, leaving many patients unattended to across government-owned hospitals in the country. The strike had been suspended about 10 days later after they met with the federal government representatives. Now, the association's national president said on Saturday that the federal government had not fulfilled its promise of giving its members the insurance benefit. Coming up,
it is yet another day of projects in the health sector undertaken by the present administration. The governor is leading the team as improving the health sector in the face of the increasing rate of COVID-19 infection in its third wave appears to be the main focus for the administration. Stella Obasanjo Hospital houses the Infectious Disease Isolation Center, and the governor and the team are here to assess its readiness to cope with any possible outbreak.
As you know, the Delta variant is very, very contagious and it spreads very widely. So what we're doing here today is just to check the readiness of the facilities, check the availability of oxygen, and make sure that if we need to move hundreds of patients for treatment, we have the facilities to do so. Well, we're lucky we'll have a major oxygen supplier in the city, a major plant in the city, and what we on our own don't have an industrial plant here, so we have to still buy retail cylinders into this facility.
The governor also led the team to inspect the level of work done at the School of Nursing and Midwifery, where he expressed satisfaction with the progress.
The accreditation team has come. You recall, they came in 2 months ago. They wrote to us. They're happy with what they've seen, and the final accreditation team should be coming just before the school reopens in there by September. Or, like you see, most of the procurements have been done. There's not much left. We'll have only about 30 days of work left to finish most of the buildings. The recruitments have been done or almost been completed for staff. We also have adverts out for students. So a lot of background work is going on.
Since the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic, various efforts have been made to check the spread, including the vaccine. What have become a challenge to experts is the steady mutation of the virus, making a once and for all remedy difficult. Paul Ezenwa, TVC News, Benin.